everyone, today I'll be making bourbon pecan rice pudding. What all goes into the bourbon pecan rice pudding? 3 cups of cooked long grain rice. I cooked way more than 3 cups because Buddy likes rice, so I give him rice sometimes as a treat. 1/2 cup dried cranberries or raisins. So I like cranberries better than raisins, so we'll be using cranberries. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk. 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. 1/4 cup bourbon. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar. 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. I didn't have any, so I have my homemade pumpkin spice here. I'll leave the recipe for that down below. And 1 cup chopped pecans, toasted, and I've already got those toasted. So let's begin. So coat a 3 to 3.5 quart slow cooker with cooking spray. I have a 6-quart slow cooker, and I have a silicone liner so I don't have to spray it. Makes cleanup very easy. Then take all of your ingredients except for the pecans and put them in the slow cooker. The 3 cups of the already cooked rice, the 1/2 cup of dried cranberries or raisins, and I did forget to mention that I'm using the Magnolia Star vanilla extract, which is actually made with Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. It's bourbony too. So the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the 14 ounces of the sweetened condensed milk, the 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, the 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, the 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and the 1/4 cup of bourbon. Give that a mix. That's simple. Put your lid on, turn it to low, and cook that on low for 3 hours or until most of the liquid is absorbed. So after 3 hours, we'll give it a stir. Most of the liquid is absorbed. We'll dish it up and do a taste test. Or before you take it out of the slow cooker, you can add the pecans on top of the mixture, but I'm going to do it on top of the individual serving. So just garnish it with some toasted pecans. So here is the bourbon pecan rice pudding. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is that rice?
It is. It is bourbon pecan rice pudding.
Smells good. Smells kind of cinnamony. Very hot. It's very hot. Bet you know it's hot.
I'm sorry, is it hot?
The glass didn't feel that hot. That's pretty good. Are those little raisins or something?
Yes.
You know, when I was a kid, as a treat sometimes, Mom would do butter and sugar on rice, just white sugar. It's all, probably not healthy for you, and I don't know if that's just a Southern thing or what, but I remember that, and it was good. And this is good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.